Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take a look at an ARCore Android augmented reality game called Capsule Commander AR. Now this is kind of a sandbox game. You have this lander and a landing spot which you can position in the real world in augmented reality. You can add some decoration items, even a cargo item which you can pick up and then drop. And once you set everything, you can start the experience, and then you have a limited time to use the drone and try to bring it into the end location. Let me just pause for a second because I wanted to show you why I really wanted to play this type of game. So I pause. Alright, so this is a Hello Mars AR app, Mars Rover Landing Lab AR experience for iOS, and I tried it in Seoul and I enjoyed it so much. You need to make sure you land the rover exactly in the middle spot, and you get scored based on your performance, as you can see, and you can check out other statistics. So driving this lander was really fun. I actually failed a lot, but I really liked the experience in general. That's why I was very excited when I saw that there's another app that looks similar to this one. So I wanted to try it and see if I like it as well. Maybe it's going to be better because, you know, this app actually has many other features, but the app that I'm reviewing right now actually just have a lander option. So maybe it's better because it just do a certain gameplay task. So as you can see, it took me some time to get used to it, but it looks beautiful in augmented reality, and the game was, this mini game was quite challenging. It has really nice sound effects. Here you can see me, I couldn't control it well, but that's the fun, the game was challenging. Anyway, now we're gonna go back into the original game we're reviewing, and let's see if that game has something interesting to offer. Okay, we are back to the original game. Now, if you want the bottom line is that I didn't like it, and I'm gonna explain to you why. First of all, I like the fact that you have the options to decorate the space and position the lander the way you want, scale it a bit if you like. The problem is that it's kind of buggy, and the controls of the vehicle are, I don't know, just too tight, so you don't really have the option to really make some really kind of sharp turns. And you can save the scenes. For example, I created something like this. If for example, I reach the end, I need to start it from the beginning. This means that I need to arrange everything again from the beginning, and I didn't like it. It would be cool if you had many more options to customize it and maybe share it online with other people and see how many people were able to actually finish it, right? It's kind of interesting, like a social place where you can see how many people were able to finish your level and what score, and each one gonna have its own scoreboard, for example. Let's check out some gameplay, and we're gonna talk about it a bit later. Integrity, also with limited amount of fuel actually. So go quick. Land. It's nice that we can see the shadows so we can know. Come on. Forward. Yes. Nice. And a bit. Oh, what? Alright. You probably wonder where is the lander, but the thing is, the lander was nowhere to be found. Why? Because it's buggy. So if I crashed, I can't see the lander anywhere. I searched for it all over the place. No lander. I don't know why. But actually, when you reach the end, you were able to land successfully. You can actually see that the lander position is reset. Launch. Oh, I can't save it. Oh, this is not good. I can't save the area. So again, let's set it quickly, and this one set. Let's put like a mountain there and the volcano, and let's go again. I'm ready. Thrust. All right, we need to move it a bit here. More. Why I can't see the shadows now? It's kind of weird, right? Thrust, easy. That's it. We did it, I think. Another thing is that you actually need to scan the area because you can't put the items outside an area that is not scanned yet. And you can't actually see what area you are scanning. So what I need to do is just to walk, and then I just imagine that it actually scanning in the background, which is what it actually does, the app. And then I can position the landing spot there. So this is a usability issue. What the developer could have done is just to create, when you scan an area, just to extend it, without the user needing to scan the entire place. So you just extend it. But again, if the user just want to place, if it, for example, scans a few surfaces that one on top of the other in terms of a vertical location, that's why some developers prefer not to extend the horizontal plane, for infinity. What? Let's put it here and let's see. All right, so where is my lander? Oh yeah. Okay, so I think we can fuel on the way. Actually, I'm going to put another one here, so just can test this out. And yeah, let's go. Let's go. All right, I'm ready. All right, let's go. Thrust. So let's check out first what this one is. Maybe it's fuel, I don't know. Oh, come on. And so yeah, this is not a fueling option. This is just a cargo we can pick up, which is nice. I mean, I wish there were more options, to add, kind of a new types of gameplay mechanics which you can choose and then create the level. And then when it's automatically created, the user will just play the level. If it was shared, it's not shared here, of course, just an option that I really want to see in this game. Users can see actually the goal of the level and know what they need to do. Unfortunately, Capsule Commander and AR, and trust me, I feel bad saying it, and like many AR games that I tried lately this month, they feel incomplete. And there's something good about it that can be really fun if you just make the game, just adjusting, solve bugs, add more options and features. A certain game can be really good, but just feel like I don't know, like a fifth of a game, something good that could have been, but it's not. All right, we got it. All right, nice. And so we just brought the item over there, and then we need to go to that. Come on, no, forward. Why I can't see the shadow? I saw it a few minutes ago. So here actually I'm just toying around. It was sitting on the ground, and I just wanted to see how this lander looks when it just flies up, towards the sky. I didn't care about making it land over this landing spot. Just wanted to see how it looks and film it from below. Yeah, it's nice, but I also wanted to see what will happen if the fuel's gonna get to 0. And just take a look at the fuel at the top left. You can see the numbers are going down and down. The speed is up, it's now red, and soon the fuel is going to be red because I'm just going to put it in the air, and I don't care about the fuel, and just see how it's depleted. And then what you're gonna see is something that I didn't expect to see. You expected just to just go down very, very fast, accelerate towards the surface, but see what happens. And boom, disappeared. What? Nah, come on. And then it appears again on the ground. Not good. Now, as you can hear, or probably you can't hear, there are no sound effects. What? Let's go back to Hello Mars AR app for a second. Alright, I guess you get the picture right now. Yeah, Hello Mars AR app, it does many other things, but in terms of this minigame experience, it was better compared to Capsule Commander AR. So if you want to try it, go download Hello Mars AR for iOS. I think it's also available for Android, but I'm not sure. And you're gonna enjoy a much better minigame experience with the lander. So maybe you're gonna see improvement to Capsule Commander AR, maybe not, I don't know, but I think it's kind of a miss experience, and I don't recommend download it unless you really, you find it interesting and exciting, maybe. But if you are interested in kind of a landing experience with a lander, I recommend downloading Hello Mars AR app instead. So if you enjoyed this review, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This really helps me a lot and supports the channel. And I'll see you very soon on the next video. It's going to be very, very interesting very soon. So don't forget to subscribe. Great videos on the way. And I'll see you very, very soon. Bye, guys.